In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of goal-based agents in artificial intelligence, and this is one of the most easiest topic. So far, we had discussed simple reflex agents and model based agents. Today our topic is goal based agents. So here I will highly recommend, if you didn't watch the videos of simple reflex agents and model based, you have to watch that videos in order to make your concept clear. For goal based, at least model based you have to watch. I will provide the link in my description section. So all these are the types of intelligent agents. See here, the name indicates goal based agents. It means that here we have the information of goal state as well, right, where we have to reach. So simply you can say that goal based agent is the extension or expansion of model based agents. Means whatever features I have told you in model base, it has that features as well as some of its own features. The most important feature is the desirable situation. Desirable situation means goal state. Here we have the knowledge of goal state. It means our input and output we know in this case in goal based. And when we know our input as well as our output or the goal state, this is called the supervised learning, right? So same concept we will discuss here. See here, goal-based agents. Here I have written some information for you. Then I will explain to you everything with the help of a diagram and the example. So goal-based agents expand the capabilities of the model-based agent. See, model-based we had discussed in our last lesson. Quickly, I will explain you here. See here, this is our environment. From the environment here, when suppose we come out, we percept that there, whatever is the situation, this is called the current situation, right? Whatever current situation we have outside the environment, in model based agent we do not take action right away. We used our knowledge or our past experience. So simply you can say that model based agent is a mixture of current state plus our past experience, right? And then here, this is the extension. I said extension or expansion of model base. What we have extra thing? Extra thing we have goal in our goal based agents. We know where we have to reach. Now the question is how? How we have to reach? In order to reach our goal, we need searching and planning. So here I have also mentioned this point here. When you will read this, it will be much clear to you. What I am saying is written here. See how we can reach to our goal state. In order to reach our goal state, we need some searching and planning, which makes an agent proactive. And desirable situation means goal. So these kind of question comes in your MCQs. So what type of agents deal with the goal state? Then you have to say goal based agents. Means in which agents we have searching and planning options. So goal based agents. Right here I will first explain with the help of diagram, then I will go back, then we will read it again. See here, this is our environment, right? And here is our sensor. With the help of sensor we percept what the world is like now. Means what is the current situation. This means this is the current situation. This part, this part, this part, and these two are the part of model base, because I said this is the expansion of model base. So here we have this new thing because the name is goal based. So extra thing is goal based. It has the features of model, right? Model based agent plus some of its own features, that is called the goals or the desirable situation. In goals we need searching and planning, how we can reach to our goal state. So come here back, we percept what are the world is like now. Here, suppose I will give you some example. Here we analyze or we percept that nowadays data science field is one of the most important field. This is our perception. Only on the basis of this perception we cannot make any decision, so we have to use our past experience or some of our knowledge. Maybe in our house we have some elders, we have some brothers, sisters, or any relatives who already did data science. So suppose these are our knowledge. On the basis of this knowledge we make some decision what my actions do. Now what we have to do, how I can reach to my goal state to become the data scientist. So here you have to search and plan. So what is the searching means? You have to search means which university I should go, or from which college or institute I should go, or we should go for to become the data scientist. And then is planning. Planning means which courses we have to take. So suppose here I will say that in order to make the data scientist you need the basics of Excel, you need some Power BI, right? And then I would say some statistics as well, Python programming language or any programming language, then machine learning, right? And the libraries of Python, and at the end I will say artificial intelligence. So this is our planning. We have to follow this route in order to become the data scientist, or simply you can say in order to achieve our goal. So this is the goal based agents. We have to reach, we know that we are where we have to reach, but in order to reach our goal, we should need some searching and planning. Here I will give you the example of Alibaba, which is the Chinese company and selling products throughout the world. They have made G plus robots, right? And it is in the testing phase. So what they are doing, they are delivering products to the customers or the consumers to their doorsteps automatically. How they are finding their route or their destination or their addresses, what is behind it, more goal based agents is working behind it. This is the practical example. Suppose if you want to go to some picnic spot, right? So our goal is that we have to reach some picnic spot. But the thing is, first we have to do some searching and planning. We have to find out the route, different routes which will lead to our goal state, the picnic spot, and then our planning, how we can go there by taking a bus or car or motorbike or what. So we have to do some searching and planning in order to reach our goal state. This is the simple concept of a goal based agent. I hope the concept is clear. Now, if you will read it very slowly, whatever I have said is written here, but still, if any point is not clear, you can ask me. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.